All right, back we go. Saturday, February 20th. Let's check out some stocks. PLTR. Uh, Palantir Technologies, 1.06 billion float, 52 billion market cap. Insiders own 8%, institutions 14 plus percent. Upgraded by Goldman, neutral to buy, 13 to 34. Wasn't this just recently in the news? Let me see here. Didn't that woman who owns what's it, the ARK fund or something like that, the tech fund? She's always on YouTube. I thought she bought into that. Um, Palantir Technologies builds and deploys software platforms for the intelligence community in the United States, assists counterterrorism investigations, operations. So let me see the insider buys here. FinViz has this. Peter Thiel, transaction 504 million. Wait, is that million? 504 million value. That was on the 18th. Wow. Sale 2523. All right, let's take a look at the chart here. This broke up from the IPO 10 all the way to 31 plus, came back down, bounced to 29. You have a little trend line here. See this here, came up to 25, high of 45, then it bounced. Then we came back down, and look at this candle right here. This is a nice move on Friday. Right here to 27, all the way to it's like 29.85, and then we took off. So this was really a strong move here. Now I like this because the trend line here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. Oversold 13.58 on stochastics. I think we can come up here. I think we'll get back to 40, and I think we'll break this. I think we'll get back to near 40 plus on this. I like this longer term. Look at the volume here, 345 million. So, yeah, I like this longer term, and I like the bounce here. I think we can go up. So we'll take any other news in this? Let me see here. Palantir replaces GameStop as Wall Street bets top interest. Palantir jumps after Kathy Wood's ARK firm takes stake. That's the woman. She's always on YouTube. You see her now because the ARK fund she has. That ARK ETF didn't get like 5 to 100 or something like that. It's pretty crazy. All right, Apple, check this out. We all know Apple. They have a huge float. We know that. Institutions own 60%. Any news in this recently? Nothing much changed. Tech's been down a little bit. So you can basically see the move here from March. This was 53. This thing rode all the way up to 140. Tech was strong. Came back a little bit. We bounced. Came back again. You can see this trend line here. 2, 3, 4 touches. Now we reached a high of 145.09. Now we came back. We pulled back pretty hard now. We're oversold 1833 stochastics. This trend line right here. They have one closer. I think they have one on FinViz. It's like this. Or higher up. I don't know. I think here to here. But anyway, this came down. Went sideways. Now we're back down. It's showing like a little green candle here. It's filled. Is this going to make a move up now? I could see us bouncing to 134. We have to get over this line right here. See this? Because you have a high, got lower. See all these bounces trying to break this line. So we'll see if this can get over this. This is the line you have to get over. We have a little gap here. Now, if we can get over 134, we'll go back to 144 in Apple. Is this the low? All right, is this the low right here at 128? You could say even 126. It looks like there would be good stops for this, so if you're planning to watch them levels, plug. Plug power, 397 million float. Institutions own 51%, 28.44 billion market cap. Outperforms 75 Bernstein. Lithium and hydrogen trades. I'm looking at that. Benzinga. What else does it say here? Provides hydrogen fuel cell turnkey solutions for electric mobility and stationary power markets, North America, Europe. All right, so we all know about this plug. This started to move up at 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This really got on fire. 35 all the way to 70 plus on this. Then we came back sideways. We bounced again, one final move. 75.49, then we went sideways. And then down we go right here. Very oversold now, 15.59 stochastics. Touch this 50, and it's 47.01. Put in a nice tail. See how we bounced back right there? So you can also put in a line like this sideways. That's what FinViz has. So we got to break that now. We came up. Now we're coming back. Yeah, we can get above 60, 65, and break 70. We'll see if this happens. Yeah, it's very oversold. There's a nice pullback here. Is the pullback done? Yeah, if this went back further, maybe it bounced here, then it falls again. 45, 42-ish, 42 to 45. That's your ultimate low. I'm not sure if we're going to hit that. Yeah, this bounce was strong, but tomorrow it could make a move here and then come back down again. So you got to be aware of that. Yeah, it's a bounce play right now, and we'll see what happens. All right, here's Wish. 448 million float, 62% institutional ownership. 13.37 billion market cap. Loop Capital hold the buy. Let's see here. Operates as a mobile e-commerce company, Europe, North America, South America, internationally. E-commerce platform connects merchants and consumers. All right. So if you look at the line on this one, and the first thing you see, you draw this line. That's been the high line right here. See this? When this IPO'd, bounced to this line, came all the way back down. Waterfall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red candles. Then we bounced all the way up. Nice dip buy, and finally found a high up here. Now we're coming back down. We tried to bounce, and waterfall really big. This candle here is spinning top, a thick body. 4.45 on stochastics, very oversold. 17.2 million volume. That's pretty good. Coming back in here. Now, is this the bottom of this? Hard to say. I mean, 21 level looks pretty like resistance and support. I mean, it was resistance. Now it could turn into support. You're very far away from your EMAs. Look at this, 26. You're at 2260. FinViz is showing actually a cross. Sometimes each platform is different. They're showing like a tight cross. This doesn't look like a cross, but I think this could be, a bottom right here. Could have a move all the way to here, and this holds, then we start to come up here. We could bounce, come back on this trend line. We'll see if that's an official trend line. I still like this long, though. It's just a matter of where, the bottom is officially. Is it deeper bottom, or are we going to bounce up on Monday? So we'll see on this on Wish, but I like this. And we'll see what this does next week on Wish. call this right here. All right. So there it is. So if this comes back up too, I could easily see 26 plus on this. All right, so that's it for these 4 stocks. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Smash the like button. Twitter, Mike J Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. That's it. Peace. Subscribe and like on YouTube.